Hi, I'm Michael from I See Blinds, and I'm too scared to look up because I'm holding these tracks in the perfect position. So Kylie, if you want to come over, we're measuring for an external corner here. And can you see I've got the tracks, the overlap perfect on both sides. I've got a little bit of clearance from the back of the curtain down the wall, even though that's kind of, and I've got a really nice sitting corner and a beautiful overlap sort of there in the top of the corner. So I'm going to take this track away. I'll take the right hand track away, and what we're going to determine is the measurement from here, which is the corner, to that track, and then we know what that looks like. The measurement to there is 60 mils. Okay, so to do what I've just done, and I'll try and recreate it, it's 60 mils from the corner on both sides. All right, and you end up with that. So is that kind of clear? It's kind of like 60 mils here and 60 mils there, and then you end up butting the tracks sort of beautifully in the corner. Now, if you buy the sample kits, you get the tracks and the brackets and all the bits and bobs, so you get to hold it up and be as nervous as what I am right now. But you get to take an accurate measurement and see exactly how you want your corner to sit, and your corner to ultimately look really good when it's closed off. So hope that's helpful. I'm going to relax and let these tracks go now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.